I have wooden windows, and I just noticed after this winter a little bit of what looked like termites, but I don't think it's termites. Is that my wooden windows rotting? What does that, like, the rot look like? What would be like a warning sign?
Warning sign typically would be discoloration would be the first thing.
Okay.
If it looks like it's turning gray or black, or if you see water spots.
Okay.
But, you know, usually we would just poke around at it, and if it's chipping or if it feels soft, those are going to be sure signs of rot.
What would be the warning signs to replace your vinyl or aluminum windows?
Yeah, typically what happens with the vinyl windows, you're going to get the expansion and contraction, so they're not going to open and close real easily. They're going to get stuck.
Okay.
Warp type of deal? Kind of feels like they're
going to be warped, and you're going to notice air drafts, and that if you get condensation or fog in between the panes, that is a sure sign that, you know, you have seal failure, which is common with the vinyl windows because of all the expansion and contraction and the different hot and cold cycles.
And then your next category?
Yeah, so the last category would be the fiberglass category, and that's the one that we're most excited about. And we believe that the fiberglass windows are going to last 40 to 50 years.
Wow.
Because of the strength of the material.
Now, that product hasn't been around for 40 to 50 years. So how are you going to back that up?
Well, I think you've probably been in some boats that are 40 and 50 years old that sit in the water all the time.
No, you're right. You're 100% right. But they haven't been making fiberglass windows for 40 years, right?
It's getting close.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah, our key supplier, Marvin's they are one of the pioneers in fiberglass, and they've been working with fiberglass for almost 40 years.
Okay.
And they've proven to be very durable and long-lasting in the market.